How to delete your playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then delete your playlist on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to delete your Spotify playlist, it's very simple. First, just make sure to update the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Spotify application, now I basically want you to go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to delete our playlist, just tap on the Your Library button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the Your Library option, you'll be able to see a list of all these various options. Now you just have to open up the playlist which you want to delete, or you can just long press on that particular playlist right away. Once you long press on it, you enable all those options, and here you'll find a section that says Delete Playlist. Tap on it. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete? So tap on the delete button again. And just like that, you would have successfully deleted your Spotify playlist. This is the way to delete your playlist in Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, and doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.